Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence of lead. Early each day to the steps of St. Paul, the little old